Today, I want to show you how I use 2 Christmas ornaments from Family Dollar to make candle holders. Let's get started. First, I painted 2 of the 6-pack bowls that I purchased at Dollar Tree silver on the inside. I removed the hole that is used to hang the ornament from a tree using my scissors. I placed my ornaments on top of my bowl to see where I would want to sit them. And I used Gorilla Hot Glue to attach my ornaments to my bowls. Next, I checked to see if my ornaments were sturdy. Then I placed 2 more bowls on top of the inside of my ornaments. I placed battery-operated candles that I purchased at Dollar Tree to the inside of each one of my bowls. My candle holders looked a little plain, so I taped the tops of my bowls using masking tape. Then I applied Mod Podge to the top portion of each one of my bowls. Next, I sprinkled silver glitter over the top of my Mod Podge. And this is what my candle holders look like once I was done. I wanted to add more bling to my candle holders, so I went back in with my Podge and glitter on my silver bowls. And this is what my candle holders look like once I was all done. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.